It's like Venus or something. I know, our world is cool, isn't it? I love them.
Hey everybody. It's like a poodle. It's like a gorilla. Have you ever been someplace where someone hogs the conversation? It's like a duck. What do you see? I know, geoengineering, but it's like horses. They're calling me. It's like two horses. Or a baby riding a horse's back and getting thrown off. Boy, they're disappearing pretty quickly. You see that? Looks like the child right there. And then that's like the horse. That's wild. How's everybody doing out here in the plandemic, scamdemic? Wow, that looks like somebody with their head thrown back. Like half gorilla, half person. You see that? It's like wearing sunglasses, right? Oh man. Anyway, let's hear back from you.